God forgive him.
God forgive him.
God bless him. Kasi sa mga pinaggagawa niya sa akin, he knows exactly what he did to me. He knows. He knows exactly what he did to me. Now, so dapat he must acknowledge the gravity, the grave injustice, the travesty of justice, yung pang-api niya. So, kailangan siya talaga humingi ng katawaran. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa mahal na Panginoon. And you know, sinasabi ko to sa mga kaibigan ko, lahat ng mga may atraso sa akin na had a hand in placing me in jail. Hindi lang yung mga naging witnesses, yung mga nagpagamit, yung mga operators, yung mga lumapit dyan sa mga witnesses na yan. Actually, mga pinatawad ko na yan, matagal ko ng mga pinatawad dyan. Yan, isa na lang ang hindi ko mapatawad.
Wag niyo na patawarin, Sen.
Pero ma'am, in that sense, I hope it's not too...
But I've been praying that I be given the grace that one day I can forgive him. So in the meantime, ang Diyos na lang muna ang magpatawad sa kanya.
Pero ma'am, forgiveness is one thing, forgetfulness or forgetting is completely another. I mean, you can forgive but still pursue, for example, justice. So I'm wondering along those lines, when you say eventually you'd probably forgive him, but are you still going to seek redress of grievances in the sense that would you still pursue, for example, a case against him?
Ed, pwede mo naman kasi i-forgive habang nakakulong.
Seryoso talagang pinag-uusapan namin yan sa legal team. Talagang nandyan yan. Yung option na yan is napakalaking option yan na gagawin namin. Because as you said, it's really about justice. Iba yun. Yung kahit pinatawad mo na halimbawa yung isang tao, kailangan mo pa rin na makamit yung hustisya. Kasi yung iniisip ko nga, kung wala akong gagawin, what will prevent future presidents, future leaders to be doing these things for vindictive, vengeful purposes? So mga ginagawa ko lang naman yung trabaho ko. So it's a matter of justice na meron talagang reckoning. Dahil biniktima nila ako.
A day of reckoning daw ang sabi nga ni Attorney Dino de Leon. Pero ma'am, along those lines po, I understand you say that you are talking about it with your legal team, but is it fair to conclude that you have already decided to pursue that? To pursue a case?
You can say that, yes. Yes, pinag-uusapan lang namin anong exactly yung mga kaso, kailan mga ipa-file. You know, so but as to the specifics, hindi pa namin talaga. Pinag-uusapan pa yan. Kasi ang naging focus talaga namin is itong paglaya ko.
Yes, ma'am. Of course,
itong
of course.
Walang sala ako. Kasi isang kaso, even if ito ngayon, may nabigyan tayo ng piyansa, ng provisional liberty, pero target pa rin talaga namin yung tuluyan ng basura yung kaso and
yes,
something tantamount to acquittal.